Some people say 87 causes more carbon buildup. These? Audi A3 back in the shop. So this was the car that we originally developed our 87 octane tune on. And since then, it's only been running 87 in it. It's done 10,000 kilometers. Brought it in for an oil change. But while it's here, I'm gonna pull the plugs, scope the cylinders, and just look at the top of the piston crowns to see if there's any signs of knock or detonation. I don't drive this car personally every day, so, you know, I haven't had any reports of drivability issues, just to see if I can get an idea of how the tune is still working after 10,000 kilometers, you know, without taking too much off of this engine. I'd like to, hopefully when I stick my borescope in, I can see some of the open intake valves and see if there's any more carbon buildup than I would expect to see after 10,000 kilometers. These direct injection engines obviously are known for carbon buildup, so I'm expecting to see some, but some people say 87 causes more carbon buildup. We'll see. We'll take a look and see what we see, all right?
What 87 tunes can you buy?
Oh, so we have 87 tunes available for MQB 18T, MQB 2 liter. We did a Golf R, GTI, 3 liter supercharged like Audi SQ5s, Tiguan, Atlas. They're all available on Instant. TuneZilla.com. All right, let's get into this because
he's being impatient today. He wants to go home. Look at him.
It's not that I want to go home.
Move. Look at him. Look at the agile feet.
Where's my handy dandy
What's that shirt you're wearing? Oh my God. Is that the S3? You guys can buy the shirt actually at the top right when you get a tune from TuneZilla with your 87 tune. We should try running 87 in the S3.
No. These? Yeah, a little bit of carbon buildup.
Yeah, it's getting a little dirty.
Well, I mean, it looks pretty good overall. Let's just see if we can see the tops of any valves here. Oh, those ones are closed. I mean, a little bit of carbon buildup. Can't really see it that well, but a little bit of carbon buildup. Pretty much what I'd expect to see after 10,000 K. That's it.
Good?
I'd say it looks fine. I mean, carbon buildup on the piston, on the tops of the pistons is fairly normal too. I'd say all in all, nothing that tells me the 87 is negatively affecting the engine. Without doing like a deep dive, you know, this is something somebody could check at home, easy enough. Send these dogs back home. Do you think you have enough footage?
What is it doing?
Well, I thought you were pointing at what I was actually doing on my face. It's not, you know, a pristine engine. This was a used car when we got it. So, you know, who knows how things looked inside before we even started doing this. I didn't scope it to see what it looked like beforehand. It definitely wasn't cared for the best. That's all I can say.
Is there something here that you can tell us, like prove to the viewers that it wasn't cared for the best?
Custom. But I mean, it needed a turbo, and that's why I ended up getting it cheap. But
So that's it. What's your verdict on our 87 tune?
I mean, so far so good. I didn't have any concerns about it when we did it. I conveniently had the car today. Just popped up, it was due for an oil change, so thought why not just check it out, see how it looks, see how things look. Can I
What's the outro?
The outro is, I'm gonna pull this out, drive home on 87 and not have any worry in my mind about it. See ya.
New outro idea.
What?
Go rip it, dude.
Rip it how?
Burnout styles. That was sick, dude. Do another one.